What's more uncomfortable, your sinuses or trying the spray? All you need is the right product and the right technique, and you'll have a nose for it in no time. This is Sinex Saline Nasal Spray, and it works in two ways. If you want to instantly clear mucus and moisturize your nasal passages, just insert the applicator tip into your nostril. Point the nozzle away from the center of the nose, towards your earlobe, which helps prevent the unpleasant dripping sensation in your throat, by the way. And press down on the applicator base to administer the spray. Inhale gently, not too hard, and blow your nose as needed. Repeat in the other nostril. When you're done, make sure to wipe off the applicator with a clean tissue. And remember, you should be the only one using it to avoid spreading germs. But that's not all it can do. If you want to clean and clear allergens and irritants from your nose, use it in the shower. Or lean forward over the bathroom sink. Insert the applicator base into your nostril. Press and hold down the applicator base until the saline starts to flow out of the other nostril. Relax and breathe gently with your mouth. Blow your nose as needed. Repeat in the other nostril. And remember to wipe off the applicator with a clean tissue and not share with anyone else. Easy, right? Repeat as often as you need, because it's totally safe for daily use. And since we know that some days congestion is worse than others, if you're still feeling congested, give medicated Vicks Sinex Severe Nasal Sprays a try. Powerful, 12-hour congestion relief that works in seconds. So when that sinus stuff is becoming really uncomfortable, remember, managing it doesn't have to be.